All right, so in our previous video, we discussed HTML attributes. In our today's session, we are going to discuss comments. So, what are comments in HTML? So, HTML comments are notes in HTML code that are ignored by the browser. Okay, so in simpler terms, look at comments as something that you can use to explain your code. Okay, so this is what happens. Okay, so below the body, you are going to add that less than symbol there, followed by an exclamation mark, then two hyphens, add two hyphens. Now look at what has happened. This is a less than symbol, but look at the way it is appearing. Okay, it's totally different from a less than symbol. It changes. Look at two hyphens. They are joined as just a single hyphen there. Okay, this to me is a limitation of using Notepad. That's why we are going to switch to VS Code to avoid something like this. Okay, then within this, you are supposed to insert your content. But before we do that, let's also leave some space. We leave space, then again, we introduce two hyphens, add other two hyphens, then a greater than symbol like that. Look at that. Something that I don't like. Okay. Now we can type something. Let's type something like you can use comments to explain your codes like this. So now when I save, come to the browser here, refresh, you notice that we are not able to see the comment here. Why? Because it's just helping us explain what this code is doing. We know this code is a heading tag where we had to include the attribute code style here, which is helping us, modify the content on the page here or modify the HTML content here. The main purpose of comments is one, to hide content from the browser, and the other one could be to leave reminders or notifications in code. All right, I hope this helps you. So for instance, I'm going to comment everything out, including this first content here and also the heading. We don't want to see the content on the browser. So what I would do is just remove the closing tag and push it immediate after heading 1 here, right? So I'll put two hyphen there, closing that, save. Now see what will happen. I'm going to hide the content from the browser. See, the information is gone. Right, we're now going to switch into using VS Code because of what you can already see. A greater than symbol is no longer a greater than symbol. A less than symbol is no longer than a less than symbol. All in all, everything is working, but I don't just like the way symbols are coming out. So we are switching to VS Code. So in the next video, I'll be showing you on how to download and install Visual Studio Code, one of the most used IDEs when it comes to programming, and I think I use it for almost all programming languages. See you in the next video.